This will be a continuation video of my last video, which I recorded, and it was a cold and dark startup of the IXEG 737, and I also entered the flight plan from Victor Kolkata Airport to Delhi Airport. So we are at about 3.4 nautical miles from our top of descent, and I need to show you something like so as per my flight plan, we have to be at about 2600 feet when we capture the glide slope. Let me show you my chart. One moment. Okay, so my chart is this. As you can see, I have to be at around 2600 feet when I'm capturing the glide slope. So I'll reset my MCP altitude to 2600, all the way to 2600, because the constraints between that are all taken care by my FMC, right? So then what I need to do is, okay, so I'll resume my simulation. After that, my aircraft should automatically descend. Aircraft should automatically descend when I reach T of TND, and as you can see, I have to be at 2600 feet. Now to get a better reference, what I need to do is, as you can see, throttle is coming back, and we'll start. Yeah, we are descending now. So we'll go to fix, and we will probably create a new fix, right? So what we'll do is, we'll do here vector India Delta Papa, which is my destination airport, and do about 6 nautical mile radius circle, so that I'll be able to see where I need to be at 2600 feet. So I'll do a slash 6 nautical mile. Yeah, that's 6 nautical mile. So I'll do a slash 6. Now what this will do is, this will create a 6 nautical mile radius circle around my airport. So I'll be able to if something happens, suppose I'm not able to get down fast, then I'll be able to get a visual reference that before entering that circle I need to be at 2600 feet. So my ILS is the runway heading is 104 degrees. So you don't need a chart for that. For that, you can also get your info at index, then you select approach. Okay, so we'll do a flap 40, 148 knot land. My VREF would be about 148, and flap 40 config. My ILS, here you can see, you can also get your info here. After you select your runway, if your runway supports ILS, you can get the details in your approach ref directory. So what I'll do is, I'll enter this info 109.5. Oh, first I'll enter the course, which is 104. The data syncs, so I'll do that 104 in my side as well as in the first officer's side. So I'll do that now. It's 104. 104 is set. Also I'll set my ILS for runway 10 is 109.5. As you can see, the data matches. Okay, so if there is a discrepancy between your chart and your FMC, always follow your FMC. Okay, always follow your FMC. Sometimes I've seen that suppose in my FMC it's 104, and in my chart it's a degree less or 2, so or a degree more. Always follow your FMC. So course is set 109.5 in your nav, 109.5 set, 109.5 9.5 is set. 109.5, 109.5, yeah. So we are pretty much configured. Okay, another thing. So for Cat 1 ILS, your decision altitude would be 990. So we have to select that here. Is set. Okay, so we are pretty much configured. Okay. So we are about, okay, so we are almost reaching our transition altitude. So I enter my altimeter now, better. So I'm using FS Global Real Weather. Okay, so my altimeter for this is a 1006 HPA. So I'll enter that now in my side as well as the first officer's side. 1006 HPA is set. I'll increase my range a bit. Yeah, we are almost there. You can see the circles that I used. Okay, drag required. So I'll give some drag. We are coming back on the profile, so I'll bring back my spoiler and arm it. The light has come up, that spoilers are armed. About to reach 10,000 feet, so I may turn my landing lights on as well as the runway lights. Okay, so we are set. Okay, I'll bring back my range. The weather is not fine, I guess. So the visibility is very low. And also, to demonstrate this ILS, I'll do a full total ILS auto land. Okay, total ILS auto land. By this time, I'll set auto brakes to 2. Okay, drag is required. Drag is required. I think I'm well configured. So my approach speed would be in ref index approach would be about 148 knots. Okay, so my localizer has arrived. I may drop flap 1. I will also drop flap 2. Bring back my speed brakes. Arm it. Reduce the range to 10 nautical miles. Put some more flaps. At this time, I'll put gear down. Flaps full. Approach button is on. So as I said, I'll do a full auto land. Both autopilots are on for Cat 3. This would be a very low visibility approach. Everything is going fine. Okay.
2500.
2500 check. We can see the runway now. The weather is pretty darn bad. Minimums. Check.
Approaching 10. Approaching runways.
400.
Check. Flaps full down. Spoilers are armed. Auto brakes are set.
Minimum. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
So I pulled my stick at the last time because you know, to get a nice flare, because Boeings are not good in auto landing, that's for sure. So I'll turn off my auto brakes, add some power. Okay. Flaps are coming up. Landing lights are off. Runway lights on. Taxi lights are on. Okay, so we are totally configured. At this time, I'll turn on my auxiliary power unit as well as my heavy bleed. I'll disengage my autopilot. Now, the Boeing autopilot is not very good in maintaining the center line after you have auto landed, so always take care of that. So I'll just park here and I'll stop the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll just park my aircraft here. Yeah. Introduce some brakes. Parking brakes set. Okay, so goodbye guys, until next time.